What's up guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a pen holder on Onshape. First, I'm going to select that we have to select the top plane and start a sketch. Then we need to create a circle. I'm going to use a diameter of 3.5 inches. Now this has to be three-dimensional. Right now it's just a sketch. So to do that, I'm going to use the extrude tool and do it 4 inches. Now this is 4 inches tall. Now this doesn't have a hole, which is what we need for it to hold pens. So we're going to use a tool called shell, and I'm going to make it 0.2 inches because I want it to be a bit thicker. Okay. For decorative purposes, this looks a bit too flat, so I'm going to use a fillet, which is Shift F, and what you have to do is you have to select the inner part here and the outside edge, and I'm gonna make it, I'll keep it at 0.1 inches. Now it has this curved surface that looks good for a pen holder. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and comment below if you have any suggestions for my next video. Thanks for watching.